Okay, today we have this problem and it looks very difficult. Just see a plus ib is given like this, and we need to prove a square plus b square is equal to this. Now a plus ib is given as x plus I whole square by 2x square plus 1. Now the numerator, if you just check it, x plus I whole square, it's in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, if you expand that, that will give x square plus 2xi plus I square divided by the denominator will be as it is. Now further to simplify, the remaining things will be same. Only thing is we have I square. So I square can be taken as minus 1. Now we replace this in place of I square. Once you replace I square as minus 1 and rearrange it, so x square minus 1 at the one side and 2x plus 1, and the denominator is same. After that, we'll try to split these two. So x square minus 1 divided by 2x square plus 1 plus I, we keep it separate, so 2x by 2x square plus 1. Now if you see this, it's in the form of a plus ib. So a, now we can consider this as a and we consider this as b. Now once we get the value of a and b, we have to prove like a square plus b square is equal to this. So now taking this a and this b and squaring both of them, since you have to square both the terms, whole term, the numerator and denominator both has to be squared. Once that is done, if you see, there's take an LCM of this. So below term will remain the same. The above will be this one. Now expanding here, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Just simplify it. So here we get minus 2x square and plus 4x square. So if you simplify it, we get x to the power 4 minus, sorry, plus 2x square plus 1. Now if you see, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So where a is x square and b is 1. So accordingly, it is proved.